How you guys are doing? I hope you guys are doing great. I am admiring this my beautiful face after a whole long stress for today, after all the work and all that. So this is probably 6 p.m. and this is when my body just feel like picking up the camera to record. Okay, so we just have returned back home. I went to Priscilla's school to pick her up. I think I know you are too much. I said, oh yeah, carry it so like this you go and open it. Okay. See you. You want I help you? See how excited she is. What do you think is inside? Cut it like this to show them.
We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out. We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea.
So you guys, Priscilla got a new electric totinette.
It is.
Like mommy.
Oh no!
You see? Now you have electric totinette like mommy. Where's the charger? Yeah, it comes with instruction and charger. We actually ordered for pink, but I don't know why they bring blue. Look at this one. Je sais t'es content. I know you are excited. Tell me you are excited. Do you like your new totinette?
Yeah,
And what do you have to say to mommy?
Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. I love you.
Are you not going to give mommy one kiss?
Qui bouge comme on dort comme ça.
Quoi?
Il y a bleu et vert et rouge et gardé.
Wow. Wait for Dada like this. He come and help you to fix it. Dada will be back any moment from now. Okay?
Okay.
I'm so excited to get her this totinette, you guys, because now I'm free. Anytime I'm riding my totinette, she's always like, mommy, I want to get like your totinette, please, mommy. And now I'm happy because now she got her new electric totinette like me, and I'm excited for her, you guys. I'm also free because now we can just go ahead like on the day that she's not going to school, like Wednesday or Saturday or Sunday, we can actually go outside to ride together to catch that fun. You need to charge it.
Après, si tu veux, tu le fais ça, comme ça.
Ah, c'est bien le toboggan. C'est bien le toboggan, bébé là.
Oh,
Quoi?
c'est très forcé.
Off it.
Je peux pas.
Wow. No, you know me, I've pressed here. Maybe it's here. No? Hey guys. So currently we are outside. Welcome to another day. So we are outside and I decided to take Priscilla to try on the totinette. Now you can try it. Let me show you around a little bit.
Tell you how I feel. Tell you how I feel.
Wow, that's my baby. Where's your face? Why is it black?
J'y allais vite.
With you, oh, I want you right now, and
Careful.
I need you right now, you right now.
Bravo.
But it's been
Now she can ride good.
around. Oh, I want you
Good job.
now, now, what it's been around. I want you now. I used to think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much, until I realized we were different types.
You like water?
Mais il fait
Attends pour
froid.
l'été? Eh oui, hein.
Il fait froid aujourd'hui. C'est pas encore l'été. Oh, mais t'as pas vu le requin, les grands de la pointe?
We will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside just for a while, some way.
Be careful, baby.
Safe place, just you and I, always.
How you doing? Are you good? How far? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's your way?
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Bobo n'est bon.
Et au cinéma. Le 4, on va aller au cinéma.
Ok.
C'est un petit peu étrange.
Hi guys, how you guys doing? Welcome to another day. So today it's Sunday, so it's 3 p.m. and I just have finished my look at this sun. I just have finished my job and I'm heading over to the supermarket to get the stuff that we need at home and replace the things that we don't have anymore at home. Yeah, basically, yeah. What they call it? That one they used to buy. This one, the name. Oh my goodness, there's no even space again to put them.
I will see.
Forgot this bag. I'm gonna take the onion and the potato. I'll drop it here. They will come and take their stuff. Okay. Okay, box. Okay, box. Basically, we are home. You guys, I feel so tired, honestly. To be honest, I feel so tired. I'm very hungry right now. I just need to look for something to eat. I'm so hungry, you guys. I'm kind of person, when I'm working, I don't have the appetite like to eat something, you know. You guys can tell from my face that I am tired and I needed some rest, even if nobody tell me. Who else love hot dog like me? I took this 2 packets of hot dog because, guys, I love this so much and I've already eaten one. You can see I've taken one of these to just eat because I love hot dog. I took some Algerian sauce. So I took some corn. How are you? I missed you, baby. Say hi. Hi. You are tired? Mommy's gonna prepare dinner. Okay? You miss me? I missed you since morning. Since morning I missed my baby. I left my baby this morning because I left home around 7:30 and then she was still sleeping. I missed you, baby. Mwah. We are going to change your hair, okay?
Demain est quel jour?
Demain c'est lundi. Il faut que tu y ailles à l'école.
Teardrops start to dry. And even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is, and none of it has helped.